Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to today's Banana Swirl lip gloss tutorial.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, aka LAL, going in with some hand sanitizer, getting started by sanitizing these hands. We don't want germs all over our handsies when we are making products for customers, right? So we're gonna glove up. I got these cute little pink latex-free, powder-free gloves on Amazon. Everything will be linked for y'all below in the description box. We're going in with our No Problema Versagel. This is the ME Premium. And y'all know I've been using this brand. This is one of my favorite brands, so it's kind of what I stick with, you know? You heard me? So yeah, y'all. What we're doing here is this is a two-tone gloss. It's a swirl gloss, so we have to have two different lip gloss shades. It's going to be the same scent, but just different shades. So yeah, so we'll have about a cup and a half in each bowl, but we're going to start by going in with our coconut oil. And this is liquid coconut oil. We're going to put 1 tablespoon in each bowl. Okay? Pretty straightforward. And now we're going in with our grapeseed oil. And we're going to drop our grapeseed oil in. And it's also going to be 1 tablespoon in each bowl. Y'all, I sound super raspy, so don't mind me. I've been really busy, so which is a good thing, you know, business is good. So anyway, we're gonna drop in our polyisobutene, and we're only gonna use 1 teaspoon in each bowl this time. So just 1 teaspoon, and the polyisobutene gives it the slip and shine that you want in your gloss. We're gonna go in, we're gonna put more in one bowl than the other, but this is white. Okay, and it's liquid lip pigment. Okay, so that's enough of that to get started, and we are going to be going in with our Log Cabin lip liquid pigment. This is from TKB Trading. And then in the other bowl, I am just going to use some gold mica powder in 2 different shades. I'm just starting with that, and y'all see I'll be mixing some other colors in there to help achieve the desired shade that we want. But we're gonna start by at least getting this mixed just to see where it gets us. That way we know what shade to add next. Because we want the one on your left to be actually yellow because it's banana. And the one on your right is going to be brown, but you'll see when it's complete, it's going to have more of a reddish tone to the brown. But we're going to add this, it's actually a food safe gel. It's a colored gel. And that's yellow. And then we're going in now with roasted chestnut from TKB Trading, and that's going to help give it the red. But we're just making it more yellow, and we're going to also add some more mica powder to that one. So you just kind of keep going back and forth and adding the desired shade to achieve whatever color that you want, okay? That's pretty much how it works. Just add the color slowly so that you don't mess it up too much. It's a lot of trial and error. You get used to it, you know? But so far so good. You see how creamy? I love the consistency. Going in with a little bit more of the gold mica powder. And you want to be sure to mix it up really well so that you don't have like clumps and lumps in your gloss. And we have organic monk fruit. And this is 0 calories and it's going to sweeten our gloss. And so, y'all, this was pretty much the last of this organic monk fruit. So it's about a tablespoon in each bowl, but that's enough to sweeten it. It doesn't require a lot of that. But look how beautiful, yellow, and creamy this is. It does look like banana pudding, but please thumbs up this video if you are finding it helpful. Hopefully you are. Your girl would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, both are perfect shades. Alright, y'all. So yeah, we're just going in with the banana flavoring oil. And I like to be generous with it, just to make sure that you can smell the actual scent that the gloss is supposed to be, but not too much, you know. But this is our syringe, and it is a 20 cc syringe, and we are going to just take the cap off of that, and we're going to take our pipette, snip both ends as we always do. You guys have seen me, y'all have seen me do this over and over and over again. So, no problem though. Your girl don't mind showing y'all. And so, we're going to take some white electric tape. It's thin, which I love. And we're going to just cut a piece of that and wrap it around the nozzle and pipette to secure it. So it won't be moving all around because lip gloss is messy enough as it is. We all know that. Yeah, so just like that, y'all, pretty simple. And you want to squeeze that just to make sure that it is on there really good. Now this is the sort of messy part, but what I'm doing is going and I'm drawing up into the syringe. I'll do like the brown, and then I'll do the yellow, and then I'll do the brown, just back and forth alternating like that until I get pretty much a full syringe. And then I'm just going to take my 15 ml squeeze tube and I'm going to start at the bottom and go up with the gloss. And you see, because we alternated with the colors, it has that marble effect. So y'all really love the TikTok, so I couldn't wait to get this video up for y'all. So hopefully you are loving it. If y'all try it, if y'all have any issues or anything, you know, just y'all can ask questions. I don't mind. Like I said, the more practice you get, the better and the more comfortable you'll be with making gloss and the different types of glosses. There's so many different types of glosses. You can be as creative as you want to be. But we're going and filling in another tube. Another gloss tube. What do y'all think so far? And I like that every lip gloss looks sort of different because it creates its own pattern. Kind of like, reminds me of like a map or something. But they're all different. They're not all the same as far as, you know, how the swirl looks within the gloss. So we're going to go again, just filling up our syringe with gloss, and we're going back and forth. Y'all, this is a challenge at first, so if you have a little bit of difficulty with the syringe and getting the lip gloss in there at first, you can just push it back out and then start over again. Because sometimes it, you know, leaves like space in between and so forth until you get used to it. But yeah, we're just filling up another tube. I wanted to show y'all several so that you could get the hang of it and actually see what I'm doing a few times. But y'all know I don't make you sit there the whole time because I run a business and I do have a lot of tubes to fill. If that would be something y'all want to see, maybe I will do that on a live or something one day. Let me know if y'all would be interested. But another tube, here we go. So it's pretty straightforward, and when you see me squeeze the bottom, it's just as I've told you in other videos. I squeeze the bottom just to make sure that the gloss gets in the corners. It goes all the way to the bottom of the tube and fills in. It doesn't leave gaps and spaces. I hate that. Yeah, mis amores, so hopefully y'all get the picture by now. But I love the way it smells. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells super sweet and just like bananas. Kind of reminds me definitely of like that instant banana pudding scent. But do check the description box for the list of supplies. I try to make it as easy on y'all as possible. I want us all to win. And I'm going to be trying to put out as much information for y'all as possible to help y'all get started with y'all businesses. Because I do want to encourage y'all not to give up and to definitely shoot towards reaching your goals. But we got another tube filled. I'm gonna do another one. Let's do one more. Actually, a few more, not just one. Like I said, I just wanted to not bore y'all, but I just wanted you to see the different patterns and the different, it's different swirl patterns in each gloss, as y'all can see in the little gloss stand. All of them look different, so it's like really unique. I find it really artistic looking. But y'all, be creative. Use your creativity. It's very therapeutic and healthy for your mind, And you can make some money. Make some money. We know don't nobody want to be broke. No way, child. But we're going to go in again and fill another one. I truly thank y'all so much for all of y'all support and messaging me, the DMs that y'all send me on Instagram. If I take a little time to get back with you, please understand that my schedule can be a little crazy sometimes, but I do my best to respond to everyone. But yeah, y'all, it's pretty straightforward. Once you get the hang of it, you kind of start picking up a little speed too. So hopefully you found the video helpful. What do y'all think? This is the finished product. She is available on the store, www.lovelyangel.shop.com and Lovely Angel Shop by LAL on Etsy. Alright, we do have a new Etsy store, so come shop with us. Love y'all. Later. Please subscribe. It's free 99. Join the fam and share this video. Alright, my loves. Later.